If you want a healthier home surrounding and greenery at the same time, add these best air purification plants in your home. So today's video about air purifying house plants, which you can grow easily and multiply easily, and they are low maintenance and permanent plants too. So let's see the best 7 air purification plants in this. All the air purification plants suggested and approved by NASA, spider plant comes first. So having spider plant around your garden or around your home is very beneficial because this plant is believed to purifies the air. So it will take away the toxins in the air, and also not only this plant is a decorative plant, this is one of the air purifier plants. So have this beauty in your garden or as your indoor plants, because this is one of the must-have plants in your plants collection. I have done many videos about growing this beautiful house plant, how to grow and care as an indoor plant, as an outdoor plant, so you may watch them with your time. So this is the first plant that I show as the air purifier plants. Next plant is aloe vera. Not only this is a beautiful decor plant, this is a medicinal plant. There are many benefits of keeping aloe vera at your home, either as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. This plant grows really well in the partial to medium sunlight, and this has been known for in hair care and in skin care. Not only that, the gel has been used for purposes of many things, and also this plant comes in couple of varieties, which I have this variety of aloe vera, which is the medicinal plant. So this aloe vera plant don't expose into the bright sunlight because the leaves will get thin, so that you won't be able to take the gel out of it. So the partial to medium sunlight is the best. And friends, this is one of the air purifier plants, so have this plant also in your house plants collection or around your home as a outdoor plant. So this is the other plant that I show you, one of the must-have plants in your house plants collection. One of the easy to grow plant, you don't have to water them on regular basis too. Peace lily plants. This is also another beautiful plant and also one of the best house plants because they prefers the shade. So peace lily also one of the must-have plants because they are also said to purifies the air. So in your home, if you have this plant in your house plants collection or as an outdoor plant, these plants purifies the air and there are many benefits of keeping them. So some of the plants are very easy to grow. These plants, once you keep them as house plants, you don't have to water them on regular basis, and these plants prefers the shade. Once you bring it from a nursery, make sure to place them in an area where they don't get the bright direct sunlight. That is one thing you'll have to keep in your mind. Plant, one of the air purification plants you can propagate very easily with a single leaf cutting, grows well in the partial to medium sunlight, one of the best house plants. So this is another plant suggestion for your air purification plants list. Have it in your home garden or else as an indoor plant. This cutting I put in a small planter and it's growing well. So rubber plant is also one of the must-have plants in your house plants collection due to the air purification quality. Dracaena varieties. Having Dracaena plants in your garden also very beneficial. These are some of the varieties that I have. Look at the Tecoma flowers have fallen on them. So in a shady corner I have these plants, Dracaena varieties. They are also very easy to grow with stem cuttings, and these plants are said to purify the air. So these are beautiful decor plants and also air purification plants. Snake plants. Different varieties of snake plants. Now here I have the bird nest sansevieria snake plant and also this snake plant. These plants are very easy to grow, and also these are #1 air purification plants. Once you keep them indoors or outdoors, they are said to purify the air. So must have plants and also easy to grow and multiply. No need to water on regular basis, and also one of the beautiful decor plants. Erica palm. Erica palm is another plant that you must have in your garden or else in your indoor plants collection. This is also one of the air purification plants. Very easy to grow. They loves the semi-shade, partial to medium sunlight. So this is another plant that you must have in your collection. I have one of the big Erica palm plants at my entrance. This also you don't need to water on regular basis. You can check the soil and water, but they definitely need the medium to partial sunlight area. Chinese evergreen plants. Chinese evergreen plants are also air purification plants. If you have them in your outdoor garden or as house plants, these also purifies the air. These are best low maintenance and permanent plants which you can grow very easily. So Chinese evergreen, there are many varieties. Here I have some of them with me and they are in medium to large size planters. So Chinese evergreen plants don't go to overwater because these plants doesn't like getting watered on regular basis. So check the soil and water, that is very important. And this is for also for the medium to partial sunlight area. So Chinese evergreen plants also you must have in your plants collection. Either you keep them as house plants or else outdoor plants. So these are the varieties that I have. This is lipstick aglaonema. This really got bad, it's in a bad shape because of it got caught to rain and too much of rainy water damaged my plant. Now it's surviving. I have kept it in the shade and under this bigger tree. These are some of my pothos plants which I have kept indoors as indoor plants. So you can not only decor your home and also they are very beneficial since they are air purification plants. So see the beautiful greeny plants of pothos, which is another air purification plant. They are easy to grow and propagate in water as well. Last but not the least, these beautiful pothos plants are must-have plants with you. As a beginner, I started my gardening with one of these plants. Now I have many varieties of pothos. So pothos plants also are believed to purify the air. And also these plants are very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. Either have them as outdoor plants or indoor plants. Both are beneficial. So friends, today I have covered up about the air purification plants in your garden. And also you may not know that they purify the air the best. So some of the plants you might be having already. If you don't have the other rest of the things, you may go to the nursery and bring them or find them with a friend of yours. So this video is about air purification plants. So hope to see you soon with another gardening video. Thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe to Tamara's Home Garden. See you soon.